I hope all of you are doing well today. For today's video, I've got some data entry remote job opportunities to share with you. The first job is with Tetra Tech, and they are looking for a payroll data entry specialist. This is a project-based role with an estimated project length of 3 months. For this job, you will accurately enter employee time and attendance data into the timekeeping system. You will verify and correct timekeeping records as necessary. You will assist with payroll processing by providing accurate and timely data entry. You will communicate with employees and supervisors to resolve any discrepancies in time records. You'll maintain confidentiality of employee records and sensitive information. You'll perform other administrative tasks as assigned by the payroll manager. You'll conduct activities in line with internal procedures, legislation, and industry standards. You'll pursue continuous professional development and maintain a high degree of discipline, knowledge, and awareness. You will work in a safe manner at all times and report all health and safety incidents and concerns. And you'll perform additional duties as required. Regarding the qualifications for this job, you must have a high school diploma or something equivalent to that, additional certification in data entry or a related field is a plus. You must have proven experience as a data entry clerk or something in a similar position. You must be proficient in Microsoft Office Suite, especially Excel. You must have excellent attention to detail and accuracy. You must have strong organizational and time management skills. You must be able to work independently and as part of a team. And you must have good communication skills, both written and verbal. The next job is with ABC Legal, and they are looking for a data entry specialist. The key responsibilities for this job are to review and file legal documents using internal systems and email, to participate in ongoing training to expand knowledge of industry and process, to investigate discrepancies as they arise, and to complete additional projects as assigned. Regarding the qualifications for this job, no experience is necessary. Data entry experience is a plus. You must have a high school diploma or GED. You must be able to perform repetitive tasks with accuracy. You must have exceptional attention to detail. You must have the desire and ability to be a team player. You must have experience and basic proficiency with Microsoft Office. And you must be able to type 40 to 50 plus words per minute. This job comes with great benefits. These benefits include comprehensive medical, dental, and vision coverage, a retirement plan with 5% matching, 10 paid holidays per year, and a referral program. This is a full-time remote position with the work schedule from Monday through Friday. The starting pay for this job is $15 per hour. The next job is with Corvel, and they're looking for a data verification specialist. For this job, you'll be responsible for validation of incoming data to the bill review system. You'll be responsible for identifying and applying customer-specific rules and processes. This job requires continual and consistent communication with supervisor regarding status of data verification queues and workload. You will assist the billing review department with all clerical duties as assigned. You'll comply with all safety rules and regulations during work hours in conjunction with the Injury and Illness Prevention Program. And you'll perform additional duties as required. Regarding the required knowledge and skills for this job, you must be able to work on several concurrent tasks and prioritize workload with minimal direction. You must be able to identify, analyze, and solve problems. You must have basic computer proficiency, including familiarity with Microsoft applications. You must have strong interpersonal, time management, and organizational skills. And you must be able to work both independently and within a team environment. This job comes with great benefits. These benefits include pharmacy, dental, vision, and long-term disability coverage, a health savings account, flexible spending account options, life insurance, accident insurance, critical illness insurance, prepaid legal insurance, parking and transit FSA accounts, a 401k, Roth 401k, and paid time off. The pay range for this job is from $16 to $22.36 per hour. This is a full-time position. The next job is with NewCo, and they are looking for a document specialist. Regarding what you will do, you will manage document workflows, including processing, quality assurance, and adherence to internal procedures. You will conduct incoming claim reviews, assign statutes, organize data, ensure accuracy, and route files to auditors. You'll collaborate with internal teams to maintain the important queue, reconcile balances, validate charges, correct errors, and manage claim routing. You will oversee file intake and output, addressing discrepancies, errors, and inquiries. You'll identify and report production environment issues by submitting detailed service tickets. You'll analyze data trends across documents and systems, providing updates on status, claims routing, efficiency inventory, and volume to relevant teams. You'll monitor file sharing process, ensuring data transfer accuracy and appropriate volume levels. You'll perform data entry for itemized bills, and you'll complete additional tasks as assigned. Regarding the experience requirements, healthcare background is preferred. You must be proficient in computer skills, including Microsoft Office Suite, Adobe Acrobat, multi-monitor setups, and adaptability to company-specific software. And you must have strong attention to detail with excellent organizational, analytical, and critical thinking abilities. This job comes with great benefits. These benefits include PTO, paid holidays, and volunteer days, health, vision, and dental coverage, a 401k plan with participation with company match, and flexible spending accounts, tuition reimbursement, and eligibility for company paid benefits, including life insurance, short-term disability, and parental leave. This is a full-time, non-exempt position with the pay of $15 an hour. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have not done so already, just press that subscribe button below this video. That way, when I put out content in the future, you won't miss out on any of it. So please remember to subscribe. As always, I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank you for listening. I hope that you have a blessed, wonderful day.